Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Today, we're going to talk about how long do we have to wait. Okay, but Bitcoin is not bullish yet. How long do we have to wait? And we're just going to look over some charts and answer some questions. Okay. Hope you guys are okay. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader. I day trade Monday through Friday, the financial markets. I also swing trade cryptos. Okay, I only look at the charts. This is how I make my money. If you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. Okay, right now. If you're tired of losing money, hit that subscribe button. If you're down 80% or more, or 70% or more, 60% or more, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of your favorite YouTuber telling you, hey man, we're about to moon up and we just drop, hit that subscribe button. All right. So of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. All right. And if you're watching that replay, you can hit settings, hit 1.5 or 2 to speed up the replay. So let's get to it. Okay, we're going to go to CoinMarketCap, but let me pop out this chat. Where's Dom at, man? Dom asked me if I'm going live. I don't see him yet. Shout out to the guys that's coming in. So let's go to this CoinMarketCap first. Shout out to all my guys that's watching that replay. Bitcoin dominance 53.4, 111. Okay, on the market cap, and the same old story, guys. Same old story. Percentage wise, nothing. Okay, nothing. This is why when you build up your skills, learn how to read the charts, learn how to make money from the charts, you don't have to always stick to one market. Okay, you can always go to other markets if another market is slow. Okay, right now Bitcoin is slow. Okay, it's really not doing anything. So that usually means that if it's this slow, it usually means that we're going to have a big move probably soon. So we just have to wait. So let's go to the charts. There's nothing to really go over because since yesterday, the market is not really moving. Okay, I do expect more downside, and that's it. I expect these guys to go back, right, back to 3,200, or a little bit more, and then maybe find support, actually temporary support around there, and that's it. Okay, these guys are taking their time. They are doing this on purpose. Okay, the whales are very good at just making you suffer and tricking your brain. Okay, tricking you. So everything is just a waiting process right now, and you just have to understand that. You gotta take it day by day. So let's really nothing. We don't have to look at these other coins. We can go to some questions. You guys have some questions. Bitcoin Cash not doing anything. Litecoin not the same situation. Okay, so actually let me look at the weekly chart on Bitcoin. Let's see how that weekly looks on Bitcoin. Hold on, let me see something. Okay, so the weekly looks horrible. It definitely looks like it wants to, what's today? Thursday. So yeah, it looks like it probably wants to continue to, turn red or stay in the red. So maybe by the end of this week, we will see something. Okay. So we can go to some questions. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for stopping by, guys. Appreciate it. All right. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm having a great day. I don't know about you guys, but I'm having a great day. You know, it's just another day in the markets. So let's go to these guys' questions. I don't see nobody here. Let me see. Did I get a notification? Let me see if yeah, I got a notification. I don't know what Dom is at. Dom, you know, told me that he was gonna come in. Actually, let me see how many people is watching real quick. But what's going on, Paul? What's going on, Colin? What's going on, Frederick? New Money, Peter. Okay, let's see how many people's watching so far. Okay, we got Mike. Okay, and anybody that's in the building, you know, you can type in something. All right. So so we got 17 people watching right now. 17. That's weird, but you know, it is what it is. I guess these guys are coming later. What's going on, Jerry? YouTube need to step up their game, bro. What's going on, Green Thumbs? YouTube need to step in some on the game. So let's go to XRP while more people, you know, while I wait for more people to come in. So XRP, guys, you know, it just looks weak. You know, I mean, this looks like continuation to the downside. We had this big pump right here. Okay. Anytime you see a big pump like this and it just wipes out that pump, that's not bullish at all. So I definitely expect XRP to go right back to this low right here, which is 28 cents. And then from there, we will see what's going to go on, you know, what's going to happen. But right now, guys, things look weak everywhere. Like, no signs of life in the crypto market. It's really, honestly, guys, it's almost to the point there's no life in the crypto market. Honestly, I think it's the bots trading against themselves. Because every time we see an up move, it's a big spike up. And you could tell that that's not real humans buying the market. The market cap is drying up. So I'm guessing, you know, we will see. I want to see how the price action in the crypto market, you know, this whole year. I want to see if it's going to be this slow this whole year. But, you know, don't get it twisted. There's still money to be made because, you know, you have drops like this, even little drops like this, you can still make money. It's just that it's a slow grind, okay? But it's better, you know, it's better than losing, you know, your money. Let's see here. So guys, if you have any questions, type it in. If you have any questions, type it in. Let's see if I see anything here. Thanks for, yeah, no problem, Peter, no problem. Jeff, do you scalp small moves or just swing trade? How do I know that to exit my short for 3,400? Jeff, let me ask you a question. Do you have my course? All right, do you have my course? When I swing trade, I don't scalp when I swing trade. Okay, I can probably scalp when I day trade. Yes, when I swing trade, some moves I do look for. When I swing trade, yes, some moves are small moves. Okay, so some moves are small moves when I swing trade. And then I will have moves that's, you know, that's gonna last a long time. So you said you entered when? You said you have your short 3,400. Let me see, 3,400. So you shorted around here. Okay. So you just have to, be patient. What's your target right now, Jeff? Jeff, what's your target right now? What's going on, Randy? What's going on, Eric? New Money said crypto needs CPR. Facts, bro. Jerry Martin, Waves. What's going on? You said same question for me, Ben. I shorted 3407 and already exit. Okay, so you exit already. You said now I don't know which way Bitcoin going to pump. 36. I don't know. Honestly, I think we're just going to continue to go down. Okay, unless they have some crazy spike, which I don't think they're going to have. Okay, I don't think so. They can do that. If we do see a crazy spike, just understand that most likely that spike is going to go right back down. But right now, all I see is continuation. So I'm just looking for this Bitcoin to continue to go down to this 3,200. Frederick said, "Hi Ben, have the charts ever failed you?" Basically, no. The charts never fail you. Okay. And the reason why I'm saying that is because the chart is always right. Okay. I know that sounds that doesn't sound right, but it is. Okay, the chart is never wrong. Okay, so even if you decide to put on a trade and that trade didn't work out, that doesn't mean anything. Okay, the chart is never wrong. So once you understand what the chart is doing, then you can basically hop on and make your trade from there. Okay, so at the end of the day, if I take a trade, am I going to win 100% of the time? No. No trader wins 100% of the time. But as long as you are on the right side, you can win 70%, 80% of the time. Okay? Even, you want to hear something funny? Most people don't know this, but you can have a 40% winning ratio and still be profitable. Okay. I had days where I lost 3 times in a row. Okay. And then I took a trade. Honestly, I don't know the ratio on that. What's the ratio on that? What's the 3-to-1? That's what, like, freaking 20%, 30% ratio. Losing 3 times in a row, and then the next trade wipes out all my losers, and I'm profitable. So you don't really have to be, your winning percentage really doesn't have to be high. But once you start to learn how to trade and learn the chart, your winning percentage increase automatically just by understanding the chart and understanding what's really going on. You said 33%. Randy said 25%. I don't know. I know it's one of those, 33 or 25%. Okay. I know it's one of those, but in regular school, school can never teach you that at all. Peter May, building up my skills one day at a time. Yes. Let me give you a round of applause. That's the name of the game, bro. You take things day by day, one at a time. Okay. Don't expect to be a millionaire overnight. Always look to improve. Always look to look over your mistakes and see what's going on. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but how many people I have watching right now? What's going on, Swazzer? I have 26 people watching. YouTube is playing games. Let me see here. CPR isn't going to save these altcoins. Most of these coins, more than 80% are garbage. Facts, bro. Facts. Let me give you that bomb. Okay. Let me give you that bomb. And that's facts. Okay, I actually heard some a YouTuber said that they think Bitcoin, is going to go sideways for a long time in its range, and then drop to 2,500, and then maybe decide to go up. But the reason why I don't see that is because I truly believe Bitcoin has to continue to go down to wipe out most of these coins. Just like you said, man, most of these coins are crap, and these guys are surviving only because the market is up right now. Okay, and I mean the market's not up, but Bitcoin is at a level where these guys are still surviving. So Bitcoin has to go down to wipe these guys out. Okay. So that's why I don't think we're gonna go sideways for a long time. Not yet. Okay. Maybe at the end of the bear market, we probably gonna go sideways, but not yet. I don't think so. All right, so let's go back to these questions. If you guys have any questions, type it in. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing, hit that subscribe button. All right. I have 11 years of experience, so if you have any questions, shoot them. Type them in the chat box. All right. Right now, we just waiting for Bitcoin to, do something. What's going on, Swaz? Yeah, hit these likes. Yeah, these coins need to die. Yes, they definitely do. Shorts. What broker are you using, JDM? What's going on, Andrew? BitMEX? Yeah, so I don't know, I don't know the deal with BitMEX. I don't know how they, when it comes to liquidation, I don't really understand. Big Ben said chart whisper. What's going on, Richard? You're not Moon Boy crushing tonight? I don't know, man. All depends on if these Moon Boys come through, But I have my my bottle for them. So if all the Moon Boys, okay, you can order right on Amazon the Moon Tricks, okay. You can order the Moon Tricks on Amazon right now if you want to see the moon, okay. Get your order today, guys. Get it in, man. Get it in right now. Your favorite YouTuber is talking about the moon. Forget about him. You can see the moon right now, today, if you want to. You take 2 a day, one as soon as you wake up, and one before you go to bed, and you will see the moon every single day, guys. All right. You don't have to watch any more YouTube videos. Straight up. Oh man. Let me see here. I saw a Coinbase done back and forth a few hundred. What's the point of the bot doing that? You know, the bots. I'm guessing the bots is trying to trick people that's looking at the order book, make it seem like, you know, they doing something. Funny, Swazza. Jason said, I'm listening to you every day. You know your business, man. Shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause for listening to me every day, man. I appreciate that, bro. So, guys, if you're in this, you know, I know some of you guys bought maybe this coin right here. You know, if you guys have profits, you know, please book your profits, right? I know some of you guys probably bought, you know, this. You know, book your profits. Of course, I'm not giving you financial advice, okay? You know, if it definitely was me, I'll be booking my profits, bro. Any profit that you get right now, especially if you're on that long side, you know, you got to book that profit, man. Okay, that's the name of the game, guys. Most YouTubers will tell you to hodl, don't sell, blah, blah, blah. That's why a lot of these YouTubers are in the mess they are in right now, because they don't know how to take profits. Okay, let me explain something to you guys, okay? Professionals understand that things can't last forever. I understand my favorite stock, which I don't have a favorite stock, but if I did have a favorite stock, I understand that it can't go up forever. I understand my favorite coin can't go up forever. So I'm booking my profits. Book. Okay? And once you understand how to read the charts, you can always get back in. So don't get mad, okay? Just because you sold or took some profits off. You can always reinvest, okay? That's why you know, when the Moon Boys come, they scream hodl. And they don't understand, bro. Like, you can make more than the guys that's hodling. And, you know, it doesn't make sense to them. But you could. You can make more than the guys that's hodling. Okay? So make sure that you book your profits in a bear market and the bull market. Okay? Guys, that's the name of the game. Okay, there's nothing 100% guaranteed. Most of you guys, especially the Moon Boys, always talk in absolutes, right? You will hear these guys say, Bitcoin will never do this, Litecoin will never do that, Ethereum will never go this slow, XRP will never do this. They talk in absolutes like they know everything. They know the market. They control the market. Bro, we don't control nothing. Okay? This is why I love to be a trader. Okay? When you are a trader, bro, you are in control. When you are a trader, this is why I try to help you guys, or, you know, tell you guys, man, you know, stop being lazy and look into swing trading or day trading, okay? Because this is how you get full control. Because when you hodl, you don't have no control, bro. No control. Because what's going to happen is when this bear market comes, you just have to wait, suffer, be depressed, watch the news every single day, hope that we get something done, hope somebody comes in the market to save this market, all right? And you start to believe everybody and anything that comes out. A guy like me that's swing trading, okay? I control the money coming in, all right? I control everything. So I don't have to wait for nothing. I don't have to wait for the market to turn bullish again. I don't have to wait for good news. I don't have to wait for a YouTuber to tell me anything. I don't have to wait for back ETFs. This is why I'm trying to tell you guys, learn this skill. Learn it. Being a trader is the definition of having a business. You control everything. You make things happen. All right? That's why you have people that comes on my live stream telling me I'm going to buy 1800 because I think that's the bottom. Okay, you have people like that just because they guessing, bro. These guys are guessing. They have no strategy, and only way these guys is going to make money if the market goes up. I don't want you guys to be in that situation where the only time you're making money if the market is going up. Who cares? Who cares about good news, guys? All right, let's go back to this back to these questions. Peter Bain said, it took me 30 minutes to unsubscribe to my favorite. Bunch of losers. Shout out to him. Let me give a round of applause, bro. Oh, man. It took him 30 minutes. 30 minutes to unsubscribe to his favorite. Bunch of losers. That's funny. See, the problem with these YouTubers is they don't have, they don't really, they look at things one way. And I'm sorry to say that, but life is not like that, guys. I wish life was like that. I wish it was just one way and that's it. No. I mean, you have different scenarios and you have to understand, what to do when things get rough. Okay. Like, you have to look at the market like a playbook, guys. Like a playbook. So if this go wrong, right, you do this. If that go wrong, you do that. Okay. You have to understand when something is going wrong, so you have something. That you have a strategy that's going to help you get out of that mess. The problem with most YouTubers, they don't have a strategy to fight the recession. Okay, and it's not just YouTubers; it's just people in general. They don't have strategies when the market is going down. So let's go back to these questions, man. You guys, if you have any questions, type it in. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of, everything, hit that subscribe button. Hey, what's going on, Ken? Hey Ben, why you said these altcoins need to die? I'm not understanding. Okay. So Flip Flop said he don't understand why I said that these coins need to die. Okay, let me explain to you. Okay, we have coins that you first of all you have to understand why things are valuable. Okay, for the most part, the reason why things are valuable is because you have a lot of people using it, right? Most of these coins are not being used. Period. Crypto is supposed to be a peer-to-peer platform, okay, right? peer-to-peer platform where you exchange cryptocurrency, right? So I send you a coin, you send me a coin, right? So basically we are supposed to use these platforms, but we are not using these coins at all. So that being said, if you look at 2017, it was just all hype, right? Which is normal because I can go back in history and trust me, I will show you multiple, markets where you just have a lot of hype and the market just go up based on hype. All right. So we had hype, whatever. Now the hype is dying down and these coins are left. Like a lot of these coins are still surviving. They still around. Okay. So since these coins are still around, a lot of these coins have to die because we have to find the right price for Bitcoin and the coins that are legit. Okay, Bitcoin right now is at 3,000, and that's not the right price for Bitcoin right now. I know that sounds weird, but it's not the right price for Bitcoin right now. Maybe in the future, but right now it's not because Bitcoin got caught up with the mess with these other coins that got pumped. Okay, so we have to go back to reality, and then eventually grow and go back up. And it can't be based on hype. It has to be based on real growth. This wasn't real growth. It was just, hey man, I have a white paper. I'm gonna promise you, something, and that was it. And that's it. And none of these coins are doing nothing. So we just gotta wait, bro. Everything is just a process. What's going on? What's going on, Edward? Shout out to you. Paul said, thanks for the bomb, Ben. As these are called our big cat looks like nothing but green. If we copy Ben's course, man, shout out to you, bro. Jeff said, enjoying your channel and what you do. Shout out to you. I love the chart. Let more down. It's good. I'm waiting for my commission check to buy your course. I think it's time. Yeah, man. Shout out to you, Richard. Yeah, check out my course. Like I said, it's only during my live stream is only 150. So if you guys don't have the course by now, you could get it during my live stream. I give you guys a discount. I try to give you guys a break so you have no excuses. Okay, a lot of what I see so far, a lot of people that hodl, they have a lot of excuses. Okay, so I'm giving you guys a break. I give you a discount during my live stream. Okay, so you have no excuse. Okay, what is 150? That's nothing. So I have students that made way over 150. Okay, you just go down and look at the testimonials. Okay, and these are testimonials. I have way more testimonials. I just don't put them in, because it would be full of testimonials. But I have students made well over 15 grand or more. But let me give you that link. Anybody that's interested in this, the course comes with a Discord. It shows you how to read the chart, how to make money now in the bear market. Shows you how to read the charts, when to enter, when to exit. So if you have any questions, you can email me or answer or type your questions in here. Let's go back to these questions. Swazza said, buy it, bro. Best thing you'll ever do. Shout out to you, Swazza. I appreciate the kind words. Yes, man. Acquire trading skills, okay? Because you have to understand, trading is a business, okay? So when you trade, you are in full control. So let's say that, let's say that you took a short right here, right? Let's say that you took a short right here at 3,600. You can be out a couple of days, from now, or you can hold it, if you feel like it's going to go all the way down, you can hold it for a week or two, okay? But at the end of the day, you can book your profits and be out. You don't have to wait years to see a return. Sometimes a trade could last a day or two, sometimes a week, depending on what you're trying to do. But you're not waiting for years to get profit. That's that's the main thing. You're building up your cash flow. And once you get good at this, right, you can take your skills and go to other markets. Like I have students that trade gold, forex, commodities, all right. And then if you have time during the day, you can actually day trade. I have a course on that. If you guys are interested in that, But shout out to everybody here, man. Appreciate everybody that's here. What coins do you like long term? Right now, Matt, I don't really have any long term coins right now that I like, only because it's very hard to see what coins are going to survive during this bear market. All right, I think this bear market is going to be brutal. I think a lot of people are really underestimating this bear market. I think they think it's going to be the same as the last bear market, but I don't think so. I think it's going to be, a crazy bear market, bro. Okay, I'm really thankful. I see a whole lot of people's who's saying it's worth it. Yeah, man. Shout out to you. New Money said the cost is well worth it if you had spent money throughout the. Yes, that's funny. Somebody said that too. Like they said that if you're losing money from. Hold on, my daughter is. I don't know why my wife don't have my daughter. The door's closed and she's at the door. That's crazy. Yeah. So if you're losing a lot, 150 shouldn't be. Definitely shouldn't be a lot for you. My daughter wants me. I had to oh man. She's at the door. My wife's supposed to be taking care of her. I don't know what's going on. But my daughter is actually walking right now, guys. So she's loving it. Let's go back here to these questions. Yo, JDM said all these guys on YouTube calling the Bitcoin bond. I know, bro. Okay. So let's get to the topic of the day. The topic of the day is Bitcoin is not bullish yet. How long, is the wait? How long do we have to wait? Because I'm still seeing people that's still bullish. Okay, because it's the same situation, guys. Okay, it's the same situation right here. When the market was just not going nowhere, right here. Put it like this: the whales know how to play with your brain. Okay, and when things take longer, most people start to feel like this is the bottom because they feel like people are accumulating, and we're going to reverse. And the same situation is going on right now. Like it's just slow motion right now until we get that next, move. So how long do we have to wait? Okay. First of all, we don't know. That's the real answer, guys. We don't know. I'm not a YouTuber that's going to try to come up here, right, and try to sound smart and tell you, hey man, the bottom is soon or is near. Like, it doesn't make any sense because I'm going to get your hopes up, right? And hope is not going to pay the bills. So I don't know how long, the wait is. We just have to take things day by day. And in the meantime, just learn how to read the charts, man. So you don't have to suffer like this. Let's continue to he called 1800 yesterday. I forgot his name. You talking about on my live stream? I think it was Smooth or something. Was it Smooth? That clown? Are you looking for any altcoins long term? How many you think is gonna last at the end? Right now I'm not looking for any altcoins, and how many is gonna last, I'm not too sure, man. Probably 80% of these coins are gonna get wiped out. 85, maybe 90%. Because what I think is gonna happen is it's gonna be probably regulation, and the type of regulation, right? The type of regulation is gonna probably be, you're gonna have to be registered, and you're gonna have to have all this. I don't know, man. It's gonna be, almost like the stock market type of stuff. No links here, JDM. Well, yeah, I know, man. Tell me about it. At the end of this past December, when the little bull running started, did you go long in the 40? No. Honestly, Jeff, I didn't go long because I don't go long in the bear market. It doesn't really make any sense. Because you'll never know how long these moves will last. And I didn't go long, no. So if you notice that this move didn't last that long, this move didn't last that long, this move didn't last that long, so I'm not really trying to pick the bottoms. I'd rather short the market and make money, that way. So we have this guy right here, Time Lee, okay, predicted 2,500. Last year, that didn't go right, and then now he's saying that he think Bitcoin is going to go to 2,200 in Q1 in 2019. So this guy's all over the place. This is why I told you guys, news is just entertainment, guys. Please do not think that the news is high quality. No, it's not high quality, guys. It's just entertainment. These guys put like this. Let me say this, okay? If these guys really knew the bottom or the top, they wouldn't be telling you, all right? Now, Bitcoin could go to 2,200, but you have to understand, this is the same guy that said we was going to go to 50K and then 25K. Okay, so why all of a sudden he's bearish? This is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. You can't listen to people in the news because they will tell you one thing and these guys are thinking the opposite. So as I said, Ben walks and talks. Unlike many liars on this platform, he lives and breathes trading. Yes, man. Shout out to you. Swaz is actually one of my day trading students, so he knows what goes down in the trading room. Okay, if you're looking for trading, if you heard about trading, if you always wanted to trade full time, check out this course right here. This is the course for you. Okay, it will show you how to make money daily from the futures market. All right, I trade S&P 500, crude oil, Nasdaq, Dow, Russell. Markets like that. If you interested in that, here's that link. If you have the crypto course, you can actually get a discount with for that course. Let me go back to these questions. You said where can you buy some of that blockchain? What are you talking about? Yeah, you're right. A lot of exchanges have died. Okay, as well. Next step, you're right, man. Who knew? You're right. A lot of exchanges dying out, and that's going to be the new thing too. A lot of exchanges just going to So that's why, guys, if you have your crypto in these exchanges, be careful. A lot of these exchanges are going to die. I mean, they're just gonna take your money. Shout out to you, Martin. You said you bought the course a few months ago. Peter May said, new to the channel, gets Ben course. It will change your life. Shout out to you, Peter. Thanks for the kind words. Drop that bomb. Shout out to you. Let's go back to this question. Jason said, waiting is tough. Yes, man. You're right, Jason. Waiting is tough. That's why I try to give you guys another way, bro. Like another way. So if you're waiting right now and you feeling like, man, this is tough, well, I'm here to tell you, bro, you don't have to wait. Okay? Study how to trade the market. Okay? Once you study how to trade the market, first of all, you don't even have to put in real money at first. Okay, Jason? So, Jason, when you study this, you don't even have to put real money first. You can use a demo account, okay? Trade the market with paper money, okay? And then you can go live. So, if waiting is too crazy for you, which I believe a lot of you guys is in that boat, I think you guys should try something else. You said, do I think Trevor will fall? Yeah, I mean, honestly, TRX, yeah, eventually it's going to continue to, I believe it's going to continue to drop. Thanks for that. Yeah, no problem, bro. Flip flop. Who knew said crypto is a big pyramid scheme. If you don't know what to do, if you don't know, you do. If you don't, I don't think I'm reading this right. If you don't know, you do. Maybe you say. I'm guessing you meant to say if you don't know what to do. I don't know. And yes, it will never be a replacement of the dollar. So, guys, do you guys think that crypto is a big pyramid scheme? You say you tried to just short TRX, but it's been bullish. Kind of scared to short it. Let's look at TRX. I didn't look at TRX lately, but this is what I got. Okay, if you look at TRX, we forming a nice little triangle, and we can break to the downside easily. Okay, so TRX is looking good for that short, but we'll see what Bitcoin is going to do. All right. David, it's an investment. If you're new, pick it up. Ben will not lead you wrong. Shout out to you, David, man. Thanks for the kind words, bro. I'm trying to read all these questions. So as I said, currently short. I'm 530 right now in profit, real time. Thanks to Big Ben teaching, man. Shout out to you. Swaz has been killing it in the chat room lately, in the Discord room. And you know, he's a student that basically is new to the investment world and trading world. Okay, he's new to all this stuff, and you know, he's really like serious about his craft, and I can tell that he's going to be successful. He eats, breathes, and you know, he wakes up and look at the charts all day. I have a lot of students like that, though. I have a lot of students like that. So shout out to Swazzer. The day trading course is the one that will set you up. Abbott Park. The daughter is looking to get in the family business. Yeah, my daughter's a little cute one, man. She was following me because right now I have my door closed. Okay, my office. Right now I'm in my office, so I have my door closed, and I guess she heard my voice, but my wife's supposed to be watching her. I don't know why I guess she escaped from my wife. That's funny. But yeah, man, she started walking like last week. Okay, she started walking like last week. So she's all over the place. Between 9 and 13 months, I think, the stock market, depends on the stock market, caused Bitcoin to follow. Yeah. So the Dow is dropping, you said? The Dow is dropping right now? We need a crypto purge, bro. I know. Tell me about it. JDM says, sorry, Ben. No, yeah, no problem. Hyper uppercut. When Bitcoin was still 1 cent, you could have bought. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, I know. Tell me about it. So the thing is, right? The thing with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency right now is, a lot of people hear those stories. So there are a lot of people hear stories like, you know, Bitcoin was at $1, you know, and if you bought Bitcoin at $1, you know, if you bought $100 worth, you would be a millionaire. So they hear those stories, and then, you know, they want to be that guy. The problem is right now, a lot of us, you know, including myself, okay, we're late to the we are late to the party, okay. So we have to play this market a little bit different. We have to play this market a little bit different. We have to, you know, be wiser, because a lot of people are losing right now. That's why they got caught at the top, and these guys are down a lot. Like real, I'm talking about. I know guys are down a lot, guys. All right, because they kept buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip. It broke out of this triangle. They bought some more. I saw one guy said that every paycheck he buys Bitcoin. Every time he get paid, he buys Bitcoin. Honestly, guys, you know, that's not the way to go, man. You don't want to go all in one on one stock or one coin, okay? Anything can happen, guys. Anything can happen, bro. Okay? All right, so Nice, Swazzer. $700 in 20 minutes. That's what's up. Making that bread. Ka-ching, bruv. So I think someone said the Dow is dropping like crazy. I hope tomorrow, man, is a crazy day in the day trading world. Yeah, Swazzer making his bread, man. Ka-ching, bro. All right, so guys, if you have any more questions, please, type in your questions. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. But we can actually end it if we want to. I might not be doing any live streams until probably Tuesday because I'm going away to New York for a couple of days to see my mother. So probably won't be doing some live streams. Probably do something on Tuesday or something like that, or Monday. But shout out to everybody that's here, man. Continue to study, improve, work on your mistakes. Don't let these moon boys lie to you and tell you the moon is around the corner. Let the chart tell you what's going on, okay? And I can guarantee you will definitely be in a better place, okay, if you let the chart tell you what's going on, okay? Right now, the chart is not telling you that we are going to the moon, okay? The chart is telling us, bro, we look weak, and we most likely we're going to continue to go down, right? So just don't try to guess. Don't say 1800 is the bottom. Don't say 1200 is the bottom. 2800 is the bottom. We don't know the bottom. We have to take things day by day, and then we go from there. Let the market show you the bottom. All right. But if you guys have any more questions, you can type it in. If not, we can end this session. I hope you guys have a great weekend. All right. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And if you guys don't know what Swazzer is talking about, if you see him making money right now, if you don't know what course he's talking about the day trading course. He's actually one of my students, so you can check this out. This is the link right here. If you have the crypto course, right, you can actually get a discount from this, with this course. So just email me for the discount. I told you guys later. Let me see if I see another question. If not, shout out to you guys. What's going on, Bobby? You came late for night shift? Yeah, no, I hear you, bro. Yeah, you got to make that money. You said you wish your English was better, bro. Please do not, bro. First of all, if you can type that, if you say I agree, if you really want to learn, you can. Wish my English language would be a little better. Like, if you can type that, that means that you can understand everything that's coming out my mouth. Okay, so please do not let that stop you for anything, or from anything, because it has nothing to do with language. I show everything on the chart. Okay, so once you see the setups, you don't have to. It has nothing to do with words. All right, so let me see. How's the weather there now in New York? I don't know. I'm not in New York. I'm right now. I'm in Florida. Okay, I moved from New York like 3 years ago. New York right now is probably cold. I'm not used to that cold like that, but you know. New Money said, right on, Ben. Thank you for your time. You inspired me to be better. You inspired me to be a better trader and a better person. Yes, man. Shout out to you, bro. I want you guys to be better traders, better investors, better, a better individual. Okay. Life is about growing. Okay. It's about self-development. Okay. And once you can be a better, you, like most people don't understand, like once you can control or just become a better version, okay, you can help the people around you, okay? This is why it's so good to work on yourself, work on your skills, work on how to make money. Because once you get good at this stuff, bro, you can help a lot of people. Because once you start to make money, you're going to realize it's not all about you. You're going to realize, man, it's not all about me no more. Okay? So you can help your friends, your family out. I'm quite sure you guys want to help your mother out. Okay? Your parents out. All right, so I'm out to get out of here, guys. Let's see right here. Shout out to you, all you guys in Florida. That's what's up, bro. Charts is a universal language. Yes, you're right. Bobby said, trying to save to trade and quit my job. Shout out to you, Bobby. And Bobby, if you need any help, just email me. All right, so guys, Swazzer's making his bread, okay? Making that G. Let me give him that ka-ching button. He just got out of the trade, so I love that. All right, so guys, continue to improve, continue to grow as an individual, and I'll talk to you guys later. Maybe on Tuesday, maybe on Monday. Actually, I might make a video tomorrow because my flight is in the afternoon. Okay, so I might make a video in the morning and post a video in the morning on my channel. But other than that, probably won't be doing any live streams until either Monday or Tuesday. So talk to you guys later. Have a great day, and check out this course right here if you don't have it. And talk to you guys later. Have a great day, guys.